apparently Apple's going to get into the 5G modem business, could debut in iPhones as early as 2023. I have done some content in the past around modems, not 5G. The last time around was when Apple was splitting their networking between Qualcomm and Intel. This is a long time ago, old studio. The Intel stuff sucked, and then eventually Intel got out of the mobile networking stuff for phones. Qualcomm crushed. They've been doing it for a minute. I don't know if you ever heard of the brand before, but they've been doing it for a minute. And then so Apple was figuring out what they wanted to do, because originally they were invested. I don't know if they actually bought Intel's mobile networking division. I can't remember. Don't. Will's going to look for this, but that's kind of a tough Google. Either way, Intel decided to get out of that business. I don't remember who they sold that division or department to. Apple to acquire the majority of Intel's smartphone modem. Yeah, it's 2019. I remember some things.
Yeah.
Every so often.
Yeah.
But I forget 100 times more. So there's no need to celebrate. No need whatsoever anyway. So they bought that Intel piece, and the Intel stuff wasn't that good. So people said, why would you buy that? What are you trying to do? But you have to understand there's all kinds of like patents and intellectual property and things that go with it that could enable them to like build upon it.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And if you look at what they did with their own silicon, it was like that blew everybody away. Like they got money. They got people. There's no reason why they can't do it. And that would, of course, limit their reliance on the likes of Qualcomm, because now they can do it themselves. And if they can do what they did with the silicon and the M1 stuff, and presumably M2, whatever, M1X, whatever they end up doing in the future, imagine applying that similar tactic, but instead to 5G, to connectivity and so forth. Could be really interesting.
Right.
It's all far more integrated. It's their hardware, their software.
Use it as a foundation.
From the ground up. And they would own more of it. Now, that's easier said than done, going head-to-head with Qualcomm, because, like I said, they've been doing it. But apparently we could see this Apple-branded 5G modem 2023.